welcome back to another video. Have you ever been driving at night and you're trying to control the climate control? The screen doesn't have a light behind it? Well, there's a simple fix with a 7mm socket, and you can get in there and change a couple of lights. Anyway, first, before we get into it, please subscribe and show me a little bit of support and help me along with my videos. That would be most appreciated. So now let's get in and have a look and see how simple it is to restore the lights. Essentially, I've got to remove that trim that just pops straight off, and there's 7mm screws behind, and the timber will come off and I can have access to get all that out. With the climate control unit out, just a matter of, at that point, undoing the screw in the middle, pops out. Then the case here, sitting on there, a couple of screws each side, maybe 3 screws, that comes off. Then you take this plastic thing out. Well, you probably don't even have to, because the holes are there already. And the globes you want for the screen is there and there. All you do is give it an anti-clockwise click, part of a turn, and then they pop straight out, and then new ones go in. So the new ones are fitted. I put this back together. Unfortunately, the old radio goes back in, and we'll see if I got a screen with lights on it now. In the climate control, the screen has no light in it. So I ordered some more lights with the help of the people on the forum, so thanks for that. These lights here, you know, it looks green in there, it's blue, and 2 lights I was told. That light for the 2 was $33. The light for the climate control is working now. Today I got a new radio. The guy said it should work. If it doesn't, I can bring it back. I'll give it a go. Surely it works. It's from Jade Mechanic. And also, where the radio is 300. So the problem with the radio I got is, it doesn't pick up radio stations. The little receiver in it, the ballon or whatever it's called, is most likely not working. So that'd be good to get that going, because I've basically had a car for 2 years without a working radio. Therefore I can plug my Bluetooth in and pick up frequencies. But I had replaced the stacker for the CD player, so I was able to listen to CDs. Anyway, to get this out, I've got to remove some trimming, which takes the plate off. The radio is out. Now you can see that they are different. So I thought, not much of it. It takes up the same sort of space. But anyway, after unplugging it, this is the back. And you can see there's got 2 sets of pin housings, the connectors, whereas this one only has 1. So I guess it'd be safe to say it doesn't fit.